Hello everyone, welcome to LawSikho. This is a short tutorial on Discord where we'll guide you how to register, navigate, and use Discord. Discord is packed with awesome features which you will be coming across while using it. For registering on Discord, you have to go to discord.com. Alternatively, you can also download its mobile app from Play Store and App Store. On the right hand side, you will see a login option. You have to click on that. Then you have to click on register. If you have already have an account, you can just use the same email ID and password to log in. Fill in the details. Please note that the username should be the same name that you want on your certificates. That is a combination of your first name space last name. Verify the CAPTCHA. Then you'll see a dialog box. You have to click on have an invite already. If you do not see it, you have to go to click on the plus icon. Click on have an invite already, join a server. Use the same invite link that we have sent you on mail. For reference, the invite link is attached in the video description. Paste the invite link and click on join a server. Once you do that, on the left hand side, a LawSikho thumbnail will be popping up. If you see, that means your registration is successful. If you do not see it, that means the registration is unsuccessful. You have to repeat the steps. You can verify the emails. Once the registration is successful, you have to go to introductions and give a brief introduction of yourself. You can interact with the community on LawSikho students. Within 24 to 48 hours will be added to the respective groups. So please have patience. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll be able to see the rest of the groups. The rest of the groups are placements, mentorship, freelance warriors, and your course group. Some of these channels are open for you, wherein some of these channels will not be able to send any messages. Congratulations, your registration is successful on Discord. Going ahead, on the course group channel, look out for the communications regarding your course onboarding or the next class in the class announcement section. You'll be able to see the notifications here. On the top right section of the class notifications, you will see a pin icon. Click on the pin icon. All the relevant information about your classes, such as your class schedule, course anchor name, course anchor Calendly link, and every other relevant detail is pinned here. So this is done so that you have all the information in your hand whenever you require it. After that, go to queries and class discussion and introduce yourself and interact with your batchmates. After that, you can look out for the placement related opportunities provided in the placement section, or you can wait until the time you're ready. You can also attend group sessions posted by the freelancing team on the Freelance Warriors group. They also share slots to block one-on-one sessions. You can block sessions to create your own freelance profiles or for several other purposes related to securing freelancing projects. Thank you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you all.